Hi everyone. Are Snapchat notification not working on your Android phone or iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and effective ways to fix these Snapchat notification issues step by step. Step 1. Check Snapchat notification settings. First, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon. Go to Settings, then tap Notifications. Make sure notifications are turned on for messages, Snap, stories, and calls. Step 2. Enable notification in phone settings. Now, open your phone settings, apps, Snapchat, notifications. Turn on allow notifications. Also enable lock screen, banners, and notification sound. Step 3. Turn off do not disturb or focus mode. Check if do not disturb or focus mode is enabled on your phone. If it's turned on, Snapchat notification may be silent. Turn it off and check again. Step 4. Check battery saver and background restrictions. On Android, go to Settings, Battery, App Battery Usage, Snapchat. Disable battery optimization or background restriction. On iPhone, turn off low mover mode from settings. Step 5. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the network. Step 6. Clear Snapchat cache. Android only. If you are using Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data as this may log you out. Step 7. Update Snapchat app. Open the Play Store or App Store and check for Snapchat updates. Using an outdated version can cause notification issue. Step 8. Restart your phone. Restart your phone to refresh system and notification services. Last option. Reinstall Snapchat. If notifications are still not working, uninstall Snapchat and reinstall it from the official store. Log in again and check your notification settings. Important tips. Avoid using third-party Snapchat apps. Make sure background data is enabled for Snapchat. Keep your phone software update to date. And that's it. These steps should fix Snapchat notification not working on Android or iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy Snapchat and teach fixes.